Hey everyone, join us on our journey through the wild beauty of Jim Corbett, where nature, adventure, and a bit of romance come together. So, right now in the video, our adventure begins with a beautiful drive through lush greenery and jungle view as we head toward our hotel. The fresh air and the peaceful surrounding already feels like a gateway. So our next stop was Waterfall hike begins. Next, we set out to explore a nearby waterfall. The trail takes us uphill through nature. A little track with a lot of scenic beauty is amazing. Finally, we arrived at the waterfall. The sound of the gushing water and the mist in the air make it totally worth the effort. Such a refreshing spot and very dense jungle, as you can see in the video. It's a very peaceful place. After that, we wander into a dense part of the jungle and find a peaceful spot right in the middle of shallow river, just sitting there and soaking in the calm. We then visited Hanuman Dham, a dense sceneries and beautifully built temple. The atmosphere is truly divine and peaceful. As you can see, the architecture is very beautiful. So it's time for the highlight, the jungle safari. So we spotted beautiful wildlife, including herd of spotted deers, and enjoyed the thrill of exploring the forest. So right now we are in the middle of the river and we are waiting for the wild animals. As you can see, the river is so clean and refreshing. So right now I'm searching for animals. We are in the middle of the jungle and this is our guide. As you can see, a beautiful scenery in a dense jungle. And to end the day, my husband planned the sweetest surprise, a romantic candlelight dinner to celebrate our anniversary. The decor was dreamy and the moment was just perfect. that's a wrap up of our unforgettable day in Jim Corbett. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.